Welcome to the Tashkent State Dental Institute, Faculty of Medicine, a renowned institution that has been at the forefront of medical education in Uzbekistan for years. Here, we prepare future doctors with not only theoretical knowledge but hands-on experience, ensuring they are fully equipped to meet the challenges of modern healthcare. Our mission is simple: to foster a new generation of doctors who are not only equipped with cutting-edge knowledge, but also committed to improving healthcare outcomes across borders. The Tashkent State Dental Institute is a place where tradition meets modernity, where students from all walks of life come together to build a brighter, internationally recognized education. The institute proudly offers programs taught in English, ensuring that students are well prepared to practice in various parts of the world. Our curriculum is designed to meet international standards, and we are approved by the World Health Organization, WHO, the National Medical Commission of India, NMC, and the United States Medical Licensing Examination, USMLE. These approvals ensure that degrees from our institute hold global recognition, enabling our graduates to pursue rewarding careers both at home and abroad. Our academic structure combines theoretical knowledge with hands-on clinical experience, allowing students to develop the skills necessary to excel in the field of medical. From advanced techniques in medical surgery to cutting-edge research in medical healthcare, students are trained to handle complex cases with precision and care. A comprehensive learning environment. At the Tashkent State Dental Institute, we pride ourselves on our state-of-the-art facilities, which include modern laboratories, digital learning tools, and clinical practice centers. Our campus is designed to provide a well-rounded learning experience, focusing not just on academics, but also on personal and professional growth. Our experienced faculty members, many of whom are internationally trained, guide students through the rigorous yet rewarding journey of becoming a doctors. They bring a wealth of knowledge from diverse backgrounds and are dedicated to nurturing students, offering guidance, mentorship, and support every step of the way. A welcoming environment for international students. We understand that studying abroad can be both an exciting and daunting experience. That's why the Tashkent State Dental Institute offers a welcoming environment, particularly for international students. For students from India, we offer a taste of home with our Indian mess facility, providing familiar and nutritious meals in a comfortable environment. This helps students stay connected to their culture while focusing on their academic journey. Moreover, with an affordable tuition fee structure, we ensure that quality education is within reach for students from various economic backgrounds. We believe that the cost should not be a barrier to pursuing one's dreams, and our institute makes it possible for students to achieve a world-class education without compromising on quality. Comfortable hostel facilities. At Tashkent State Dental Institute, we are committed to ensuring that students have a comfortable and supportive environment in which to live and study. Our on-campus hostel facilities are designed to provide a safe, secure, and convenient living experience. The hostels are equipped with modern amenities, including furnished rooms, 24/7 security, and essential services to ensure that students feel at home while pursuing their academic goals. For Indian students and other international students, the hostel facilities are designed to make the transition to life in Tashkent as smooth as possible. The accommodation options include shared rooms with adequate privacy, study areas, and recreational facilities to ensure a balanced lifestyle. Building future doctors' leaders. Our program is not just about learning dental procedures, it's about developing leaders who will make a difference in the field of medical. We focus on nurturing creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills in our students. The Institute encourages involvement in research, helping students stay at the forefront of advancements in medical. Innovative dental technologies to the latest techniques in oral surgery, our students gain exposure to a wide array of opportunities in their field. We also provide a supportive community that embraces diversity, encourages collaboration, and fosters a spirit of innovation. With our focus on both academic and personal development, students leave not just as qualified doctors, but as professionals who are ready to contribute to the global healthcare landscape. Join us, your future starts here. Whether you're looking to begin your journey in dentistry or to advance your knowledge with specialized training, the Tashkent State Dental Institute offers the ideal environment for your growth. Our graduates have gone on to serve in some of the most prestigious institutions around the world, and you too can be a part of this esteemed legacy. Join us at the Tashkent State Dental Institute and take the first step toward a rewarding and impactful career in medical healthcare. The world of doctors is evolving, and so can you, right here with us.